Hey y'all, welcome to At Home with Chef Jolie. Now, to all my friends, my foodie family that's true to this and not new to this, well, welcome back. Because y'all know it's spooky season, right? So we are gonna be making a witch's potion. It's a special martini that you gotta stay tuned to watch. Let's stop by the bar and let's get this witch's potion brewing. Let's go, come on.
Tell me now, are you hungry? Looking for something for your tummy. Well, look no further. This chef is got you covered. Cooking at home with Chef Jolie.
Okay, y'all, we gotta get into this cocktail for spooky season. It is called a witch's potion. You see my little witch shoes here? Ain't they so cute? They came from my special guest. So before I tell you all about her, let me tell you about the cocktail. So it's a martini. I have some vodka, I have some apple liqueur. These are frozen blackberries, all that's in there. I muddled it all up. I got some simple syrup in there too. And look how cute my martini glasses are. This is just some simple syrup around the rim and some purple sanding sugar. Now, my guest is an amazing celebrity Christmas tree decorator. So she can decorate your tree, and she also does fall decorations too for like your porch and all of that stuff. She decorates my trees too, because I could decorate a cocktail, but child, let me try to decorate a tree is all bad. I just added some lime juice here, and I don't have any ice in here because we're gonna add a special ingredient when AB comes in. That's her name, she goes by AB, to chill it down and make it all witchy and perfect. I don't wanna hold y'all too much longer before I bring out my very special guest, celebrity Christmas tree decorator, AB. Come on in, AB.
Hey, friend, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited about this drink, first of all.
Are you? You see
Absolutely.
the witch that made me spill the drink all everywhere?
I see. That's okay. She wanted some too. That's all. She's here in spirit.
That's okay. I'm gonna pour it up. Look at the color. Okay, so before I finish off the cocktail with my very special ingredient, you were saying, I was asking you, do you like to make cocktails at home?
I do. Absolutely do. So we love a good vodka drink. I actually kind of like a Moscow Mule situation. And I absolutely love my fruity drinks though. So
Okay.
I'm super excited to see what you've made us today.
This is fruity, but it has a kick, so I don't want us to be like laid up like the witch here after we drink this, but it has a little kick. So here's what I'm gonna add. Look at that.
Get out. That's awesome. I love it. I love it.
This is just dry ice, y'all. And I don't know like where you're watching this at, but if you have a Kroger in your area, I got this dry ice from Kroger. Wherever they keep the regular ice for the regular people, the fancy ice for fancy people like us is right next to it. So there you go. This section or this segment of the show is called Quality Control.
Okay.
So cheers.
Cheers.
We're gonna taste it. Cheers
Oh, I
to
love
y'all. Happy spooky season. This is our witch's potion.
Oh, that's good.
Is it fruity?
Oh, that's good.
It's so good. I can taste the blackberry. You can taste the apple.
All of it.
You can taste all of it.
Especially that apple coming through. Oh, that's really good.
All right, my foodie family, thank you for hanging out with me for spooky season. Now, go ahead and get you these ingredients, and don't forget your fancy ice either. But most importantly, remember to turn on your notifications when you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any recipes or other uploads. And like the videos, comment down below, and share too. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.